Armour battles. Mission 2. Turn 6. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US roll 5 dice. The Germans roll 4 dice. The Germans roll a command failure. The ones are transferred to the US as wild dice. The US has the first command pulse. First US command pulse. The US have 7 command dice and 1 staff order. The US call a fire mission. The battery fires for effect. The battery is on target. The battery rolls 4 successes including 1 suppression. The Panther rolls 2 successes. The Panther takes its 3rd disruption and is dispersed. The battery rolls 3 successes. The Panther rolls 2 successes. The Panther takes its 3rd disruption and is dispersed. The Germans lose 3 morale. The fire mission is completed. The US used 2 wild dice to create an instant staff order. The US use it to call a fire mission. The battery fires for effect. The battery fire deviates 6 inches. The battery rolls 4 hits including 2 suppressions. The Panzer IV rolls 2 successes. The Panzer IV is dispersed. The Germans lose their last 2 morale. The battery fire has no effect. The fire mission is completed. The US orders the M4s to advance. The Shermans move 9 inches and fire at the suppressed Stug. The Stug takes a disruption. The US roll 3 hits including 1 suppression. The Germans roll 2 successes. The Stug takes its 3rd disruption and is dispersed. The Germans lose 1 morale. As the Germans have no morale left, the lost morale is given to the US. First German command pulse. The Germans regroup the Puma. Second US command pulse. The US activates the Sherman platoon. The M476 fires at the Panzer IV. The Panzer IV uses opportunity fire. The M4 rolls 4 suppressions. The Panzer IV rolls 4 successes and is suppressed. The Panzer IV rolls 5 hits. The M476 rolls 3 successes. The M4 takes its 3rd disruption and is dispersed. The US lose 1 morale. The M475 now advances 11 inches and fires at the Panzer IV. The US roll 5 hits. The Germans roll 2 successes. The Panzer IV takes 3 disruptions and is dispersed. The Germans lose 1 morale. The US gain a morale. Second German command pulse. The Pumas are ordered to advance. The Pumas move 14 inches. The Pumas fire at the M4. The Germans roll 4 hits including 2 suppressions. The M4 rolls 2 successes. The M4 takes its third disruption and is dispersed. The US lose 1 morale. Third US command pulse. As the Germans have no command pulses remaining, the US end the game by passing with their remaining command dice. The US wins with 2 morale. The US have lost 8 units and the Germans have also lost 8. After coming close to defeat, the US take advantage of the German command failure and win the day. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.